Security came and kicked us out of our lunch spot. This awesome picnic table with a holy umbrella at the top. Hey crew, so there's 3 of us. We started with 6 people on this trip. That's pretty snazzy. Starting to pour rain.
I think it's fun.
So that's fun. So now she's gonna do 1 pannier in the front and Santa Claus on the back. Santa Claus. Ho ho ho. And there's awesome comfy chairs over here. Wisconsin! Rainbow. I love this place. I just love the outdoors. I just love the world. Okay, love you guys. I'll be back. I'll be right back. Hey crew, good morning. Right now I'm in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and we are on a rest day. We are at one of my biking crew's cousin's house. Her name is Mackenzie, and she lives in this awesome townhouse. And she's just very generous, and shout out Mackenzie, you're the best. So it's about 10 a.m. on our rest day, and it's just been super, it's just been like very good for my soul. I woke up about 6:45. Again, we're on like biking mode, so we like wake up in the morning like pretty early because we're just used to that. So I woke up, I read a book, and then I was like, let's go for a run/walk. And so I did, and it was awesome. I went on some awesome mountain biking trails, also saw some really rad mountain bikers, and it just is like, wow, that looks fun after all my touring days. Now on my bike tour. Also, look at these bike tan lines. Isn't that cute? I look like I got dipped in like coffee or something. But I'm going to roll out, take a shower, stretch, maybe do some core. Now it looks like I'm working out on a rest day, but like it's way different. Trust me. I am not getting on my bike today at all. Not for 1 single minute. So John Mark just cleaned out his bike/panniers, and this is all the stuff he's getting rid of. But what he's keeping is he has, let's see, is this a sleeping bag?
Yeah.
Sleeping bag, inflatable pillow, rain jacket, another jacket, washcloth, the rest of his pant legs, they like zip off, underwear, socks, bike shirt, bike shorts, some paracord, poop shovel. That is something I don't have. Sunscreen, mask, some like medicines, toothbrush, toothpaste, all of that kind of stuff. And then over here he has soap, flashlight, tent poles, tent, sweatshirt. What is this? Oh, a hat, rain pants, toilet paper, and his chargers. So this is what his looks like. Very simple. We are making some dinner. We have tacos and cookies.
I'm making guac.
Guac with 6
Shit ton of guac.
6 avocados.
And we're gonna eat it.
Some onions, veggies, and cookies down there. Oh my gosh, that looks so delicious. Look at this. Wow, this is an arm work. You haven't done arm day in 42 days, John Mark.
I know. This is all I need for arm day.
Well, except that one day when I made you do push-ups. You need help?
Yes.
What do you need?
I need you to hold this tablespoon while I grind salt into here. It probably is a way better way to do this.
Good boy.
I don't feel like figuring it out. Oh, hang on, I have a better idea. Sorry.
Where do you want this? We have chips and guac, beans, tortillas, chicken, veggies, queso, a dog named Sky, and cookies, of course. Oh, that is a way better idea.
Yeah, you don't have to hold that anymore. Thank you.
John Mark always has bad ideas, but they always turn to good ideas.
What are you talking about? I have no other choice.
I'm just kidding. I'm just
roasting me.
I'm just messing.
I'm perfect.
Holy moly. Hi. Hi. Hi, Sky. Hi, Sky. Hi, Sky. Hey, no. Down. Look at all John Mark's food. Hey crew, so there's 3 of us. We started with 6 people on this trip. Elle has to skip today because she has a mosquito infection. It's just like super puffy on her leg, and they drew a lot of blood to see if it was anything else serious, and she's just feeling very weak. So she's gonna stay here today at her cousin's house, which is where we stayed last night as for a rest day. So it's just John Mark. What is he doing? Oh my gosh. Well, we have John Mark, Ellen, and I, and hopefully we'll be a crew of 4 tomorrow because Elle will be back. But in a week, we're gonna see Claire. So we're gonna be all together eventually, maybe, I hope. But right now, there's 3. Ooh, look at this guy. Mississippi River, woo! Red light! Security came and kicked us out of our lunch spot. This awesome picnic table with a holy umbrella at the top. They didn't want us here. Ellen's furious because her brand new bike rack just broke. Look at this right there. It doesn't connect to her bike anymore. This is ridiculous. So now she's gonna do one pannier in the front and Santa Claus on the back. Santa Claus. Ho ho ho.
Oh, it's raining now too. Even better.
And John Mark lost his, oh wait, montage. Look at this. He took his front panniers off and he made himself his own little water bottle rack. Isn't that so funny? I just think it's funny. It's also starting to pour rain.
I think it's fun.
So that's fun. So it's just 3 of us camping out in the rain with a broken rack.
Yay! Adventure!
Adventure's right. And this is where we are. Almost in Wisconsin. Actually, we might be in Wisconsin. Actually, I don't think so because we would have seen it. But, you know, you still bike in the rain. You still bike in the rain. It's what it looks like above us, in front, and behind. It's pretty warm though. It's probably like 80, 85 degrees in Minnesota right now. We are so very soaked. And it just started. Okay, look at the rain. Oh, there's a dog! Look at this torrential downpour. I am absolutely soaked. Absolutely soaked. Not one part of me is dry. And we just had to get off the road because it was just water falling. It was just flowing down the road and it was just unsafe. So we had to get off. But honestly, it's pretty fun because it's warm. This is our first warm rain of like the whole trip, which is good because like I didn't even have to put my raincoat on. I'm not cold. It was awesome. We're gonna wait here in this greenhouse, and there's awesome comfy chairs over here. See? Woohoo! Rainbow.
Let's get on the road then, shall we?
Wisconsin! A little bit of a sunset ride. We have an awesome place to stay at tomorrow night, but it is 100 miles away. So right now we're trying to get as far as we can so that we don't have to go as far tomorrow. But it is going to rain a lot in about 20 minutes. So we're hoping that it'll be okay. But you just never know. You just never know. Looks pretty clear up here. We were already caught in one storm. Looking really good. Sunset. Life hack.
I'm gonna keep my feet dry.
Put produce bags over your feet and then put your socks on top, or the other way around, but his socks are already wet. Also, look at that sunset. But it's raining and we still have the bike, but it's dark also, so we better get going. Alright, we just set up camp for the night and we are in a semi-truck right now. All of our clothes are on top of our tents so that they dry, because today it was pouring rain. But we're in the back of a huge semi-truck